Hello everyone, I'm Cameron Manuel Burns, reporter for FinTech Futures here at FinovateEurope in London, and today I'm delighted to say that I'm joined by Adam Kasraoui, Sales Manager at ERI. Adam, how are you? Thank you so much for joining us today.
Good to be here.
Great. Well, firstly, I was hoping you could sum up for me, what problem does the Olympic banking system solve best for banks today?
So the Olympic banking system reduces fragmentation and manual work, and how it does that is by centralizing core activities for a bank, for their clients, and that's across all financial products and services and channels. And in effect, what that does is it helps the financial institutions run more efficiently whilst maintaining control and compliance.
So I was wondering, what's the fastest time you've seen a client go live, and what made that implementation work so well?
Oh, good question. So the fastest go lives are successful when implementations are treated as business transformation and transformation of processes, not just a technical deployment. So clearly defined and business-led with cross-functional teams working together and aligned, working towards a common objective. It usually helps, and also the importance of the adopt versus adapt mindset, which is using proven technologies and solutions without making any deep changes.
Super. And so how do you handle data migration during client projects without disrupting daily operations?
Data, again, a very important topic, and we follow a structured, low-risk migration approach where the bank remains responsible for data quality, and while we handle the controlled loading, validation and reconciliation into Olympic banking system. And what that does is it enables the day-to-day operations to continue as usual until a fully validated cutover is completed.
Super, and a question for you here is, actually, what is the one question banks should ask a core provider that they often forget?
One question. So before choosing any core banking provider, banks should ask whether the provider's technology, their functional coverage, genuinely fits their operating model. That's extremely important. So if the core function, the foundation of the technology isn't right, everything built on top becomes harder and riskier.
Super, and finally, I'm wondering, what's ERI's roadmap for the year ahead, and are there any more exciting developments coming to the market soon?
Yeah, we're constantly evolving, so our roadmap is about improving and evolving Olympic banking system responsibly, and that involves cloud, open APIs, and practical AI use cases, and that's usually guided by clients, their needs, and the market insights. We have an innovation center in Madrid, and that's really where the focus on looking at innovative technologies, how we can improve based on what's happening in the market and what the clients are requesting.
Super. Well, it's been great chatting to you today, Adam. Really interested to hear what ERI is up to, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you so much.